guys, today this car I will going to transform this into big giant cars, guys. This cars I will going to transform this into giant mega car, guys. I will going to transform this into a magical giant cars, guys. I will transform. Oh no, guys! Oh no, the car I transformed into the big. Guys, I transformed the car into the big. Oh guys, I transform now into a small car, guys. Bye guys, see you next time to watching my video. Like and share and subscribe. Or I transform into the biggest car, guys. Bye.